Currently, most of the applications use user authentication. First, a user has to create an account and then log into the application. In this tutorial, we'll build a simple register login application using the Firebase email and password authentication. First of all, log into the Firebase console and create a project. Wait for a moment. Then we create an Android application under this project. Fill up the package name. Suppose we have an application with com.nascenia.blog. Leave the optional fields blank. Proceed with the app register button. You can download the Google Services JSON file. Proceed with next. You can skip this. Go to Android Studio project. Select Firebase option from menu. Connect the app to Firebase. Now we will add Firebase authentication to our application. Gradle project sync in progress. Wait for a moment. Go to the Firebase console and configure the authentication option. Select Sign In Method tab and enable the email password authentication option. We'll have to design a layout with email and password input for registration. We must get the instance of Firebase authentication before using it in our code. Then use create user with email and password method to register. Let's check the registration function. Run the app. Input email and password for registration. Go to Firebase console and refresh. A new user has been created. For login, we will use sign in with email and password method.